आप जर्मनी में जॉब कर रहे थे, यूरोज में अर्न कर रहे थे, क्या आपने सोचा उस सबको बंद करके इंडिया में आके एक नई कंपनी शुरू करने का?
इट वॉज माई पर्सनल चैलेंज। जब आप नई कंट्री में जाते हो, इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट। दैट वाज द आइडिया दैट वॉइस विच इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सोर्सेज ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन, अगर उसे हमने इंडेक्स कर दिया सो वी कैन चेंज लाइफ ऑफ मिलियंस। एंड अनुपम जैसे आपको शार्क टैंक में दिखते हैं ना, ही इज ऑलमोस्ट द सेम। ही हैज गॉट हिज पर्सनैलिटी, ही हैज गॉट हिज वेज ऑफ आस्किंग क्वेश्चन। व्हेन आई मेट हिम फर्स्ट टाइम, आई वाज taken aback. With Dhoni, the experience was really good. That was one of the biggest brand ambassadors that we got him on board. Humility, which was flowing through him, and that is something I really appreciate. We should actually replace cell phones for decision making. That people like, I am going outside, we don't need to take cell phones. Neo One is good enough.
हाय धनंजय, वेलकम टू इंडिया 2047 पॉडकास्ट। मेरा इस पॉडकास्ट का विजन ये है कि हमारी गवर्नमेंट हैज़ अ विजन कि इंडिया 2047 में डेवलप्ड कंट्री होगी, एंड जो भी इस विजन में कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है मैं उनसे बात करना चाहता हूँ। और एक हमेशा से ड्रीम रहा है इंडिया से कोई स्मार्ट डिवाइस निकले। हम हमेशा एप्पल को फॉलो करते हैं, यूएस की कंपनी, सैमसंग को फॉलो करते हैं, कोरिया की कंपनी, जापान में सोनी है, बट इंडिया से अभी तक वैसी कंपनी नहीं निकली। बिफोर वी गेट इनटू नियो सेपियन, आप जर्मनी में जॉब कर रहे थे, आप आई एम श्योर यूरोज में अर्न कर रहे थे, करोड़ों में कमा रहे होंगे। क्या आपने सोचा उस सबको बंद करके इंडिया में आके एक नई कंपनी शुरू करने का?
सो बेसिकली उस समय ये था कि इट वाज माय पर्सनल चैलेंज। ओके, सो वन ऑफ द थिंग्स वाज, जब आप नई कंट्री में जाते हो, नई प्लेस में, राइट, इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट। दैट वाज हैपनिंग विद माय एक्स आल्सो, राइट। सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, जनरली इन December you get back and I wanted to introduce her to my parents, right, because December you get long holidays, be it in Europe and US. But that same evening she called me and told me that she would like to move on, right. सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई रियलाइज, वी एज ह्यूमंस, हम लोग रिट्रोस्पेक्टिवली सोचते हैं क्या गलत गया, राइट। सो वन ऑफ दिस फीलिंग्स दैट we don't actually tell our emotions the best to our nearest ones, taking them for granted. This also happened with my cousin, who was like my brother, who died in Sopor, Kashmir. Okay, he called me 3 days back and told me that मैं तेरे से मिलने आ रहा हूँ, ठीक है। Again, I did not effectively communicate, and that left a void. Okay, and then it reoccurred again during that phase. So that was the idea that voice, which is one of the biggest sources of information, जो अभी अनइंडेक्स है, अगर उसे हमने इंडेक्स कर दिया so we can change life of millions. And it so happened at that point of time I was talking to my other cousin Aryan, who is now my co-founder, who is from IITM and has expertise in AI research and basically biomedical engineering, right. तो उसका basically ये था कि he was also of this opinion के voice, okay, if we are able to index it, we can actually build something massive. And that's how we started working on this project together.
तो आपने जॉब पहले छोड़ दी थी या?
छोड़, तो जब मैं आर्यन से बात कर रहा था तो आर्यन यूज्ड टू कीप ऑन टेलिंग मी दैट नाउ इज द राइट टाइम टू स्टार्ट समथिंग। आई नेवर वांटेड टू बी फाउंडर। मेरे को फाउंडर बनने का कोई शौक नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरे को मालूम है कि फाउंडर पैसे कमाएंगे सीरीज ए के बाद ही, ठीक है। लोगों को लगता है कि फाउंडर्स हैव अ गुड लाइफ, बट द रियलिटी इज देयर इज नो सोशल लाइफ बीइंग अ फाउंडर। यू एंड अप वर्किंग 18-20 hours a day. Okay, and I keep on telling when youngsters also come and talk to me, कि basically what is your opinion for me to be a founder? I say founder क्यों बनना है, ठीक है, because there needs to be a cause around it, right? क्योंकि currently क्या होता है, people don't understand कि आपको 18 to 20 hour करना है काम, okay, you are not taking care of yourself as much as your team, ठीक है। You have to make sure that salary of your team goes into time. You might be also aware, अगर आपकी नहीं जाती चलता है आपको, ठीक है, सीरीज ए तक पैसे नहीं कमाने वाले आप, ठीक है। और दूसरी सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज ये भी होता है कि people feel that you get very independent as you are founder, right? But then you have team,
right,
you will have investors, so you have more responsibilities coming forward. So मेरे को कभी ये नहीं था, मेरे को ये था कि I wanted to always join a cause, a big cause, okay, right. And that's where I joined Razorpay at very early stage. I thought that was a massive vision where we wanted to digitize payments, right? So I was very happy with that part. Then I joined Homelane, again changing home interiors in India, massive market, मेरे को वो change करना था. Did one of the biggest campaign with Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I was really good with that part, ठीक है, while I used to hustle a lot there also, but I did not have additional headaches, right? I can actually there take holidays,
right,
ठीक है, I can travel, I can take holidays, but as a founder you are also aware यहाँ पर छुट्टी वुट्टी holidays तो Sundays को भी नहीं मिलती है,
right,
ठीक है। So that's where this idea, when Aryan told me that LLMs are, he was working already on LLMs, he was basically big time into researching around this, he was super excited. So that's when we jumped in and we realized this is the right time to launch something which can now actually fight against the largest fangs of the world. And that's how we started working on this.
सो आपका गोल है इस डिवाइस से या जो भी फ्यूचर में डिवाइस डालोगे ह्यूमन कनेक्शन कम हो गया
Hmm.
बिकॉज हमें वॉइस लोगों की वॉइस हम भूल जाते हैं बिकॉज कॉन्स्टेंटली इन्फॉर्मेशन आता रहता है तो हम ह्यूमन कनेक्शन बढ़ाए इस डिवाइस के थ्रू एंड दैट इज़ द मेन रीज़न कि आपने शुरू करा
शुरू वैसे किया था हम लोगों ने. सो वन ऑफ द थिंग्स इज like you clearly said, right, which it will understand your emotions, it will also understand everything which I have spoken to you. ठीक है, मैं आपसे पहली बार, दूसरी बार, तीसरी बार बात कर रहा हूँ. It will understand what I spoke first time, second time, third time. Similarly ये notes बना देगा. So once I start speaking with you, it will understand from your unique voice fingerprinting. So सबकी एक unique voice होती है, तो उसके basis में it starts tagging and creates a small knowledge graph. तो उसको facts and figures आपके और मेरे बीच में पता होते हैं, facts and figure between my family, my parents, my brother, okay, and then like a second brain, it create those notes where now what I can do is I can ask के मेरी पहली मीटिंग क्या थी, सेकेंड मीटिंग क्या थी, what were some of my key action points. Also on the larger level, right, I can ask it questions like कि I am interested in going on trek, which of my friends will be interested in going on me. It can understand from hidden hints. Or for example, if you are going on dates, okay, you can understand whether you can connect with the other person or not, because this has your deep personal context. Now coming to your point, that is how we started, but our vision is to change human machine interaction interface. How we moved, जैसे कि हम लोग डेस्कटॉप से लैपटॉप से मोबाइल मूव हुए,
राइट
now it's the age of personal assistant. We believe that there is going to be a massive paradigm shift where people are now going to start using wearable like ours to do everything decision making. So now I believe that people will actually move away from mobiles to actually start using wearable like us.
सो ये आपका फोर्थ जनरेशन अभी भी फोर्थ है या फिफ्थ
है,
फिफ्थ जनरेशन आ गया. सबसे पहला आपने आर्क रिएक्टर की तरह बनाया था जैसे जारवेस होता है. तो हार्डवेयर बनाना क्या प्रोसेस होता है? पहले डिज़ाइन बनता है, आपको फैक्ट्री जाना होता है, आपको मटेरियल्स डिसाइड करने होते हैं. तो ये क्या प्रोसेस था जनरेशन 1 से जनरेशन 5 तक?
तो हार्डवेयर इज काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट होता है. हार्डवेयर इज हार्ड टू डू, और इंडिया में बेसिकली टैलेंट भी बहुत कम है हार्डवेयर का, राइट. सो फर्स्ट आइडिया वेयर वी स्टार्टेड टेस्टिंग आउट वाज बेसिकली विद लैपटॉप. तो हम लोगों ने कनेक्ट कर दिया था उसे लैपटॉप के साथ, एंड वी कुड फिगर आउट दैट इट हैज नाउ स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. तो बेसिकली देयर वी क्रिएटेड अ डिज़ाइन. ठीक है, वेरी बेसिक डिज़ाइन जो काफ़ी चंकी थी, काफ़ी बड़ी थी, बट इट गेव अस अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट इट कैन क्लियरली वर्क. देन वी मूव टू सेकेंड. ओके, देयर इज कोई भी हार्डवेयर में देयर इज ऑलवेज कंटिन्यूअस आइट्रेशंस, एंड इट विल एटलीस्ट टेक यू, इफ यू आर लकी, अ ईयर. ओके, लाइक टोनी फेडल जिनने आईपॉड बिल्ड किया है, ठीक है, उन्होंने बोला था इट टेक्स बिटवीन 12 to 18 months इफ यू आर लकी एंड इफ यू हैव फास्ट टीम डूइंग इट, राइट. तो सिमिलरली इन अवर केस आल्सो जर्नी वाज लाइक दिस. सेकंड में हमने टेस्ट आउट किया था कि हम लोग स्पीकर डालें उसमें, तो फिर बाय डायरेक्शनल हो जाएगा, जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उधर से रिस्पॉन्ड आ जाएगा. वी रियलाइज इट वाज गेटिंग फॉर्म फैक्टर थोड़ा बड़ा हो रहा था, और उसमें दूसरी चीज़ ये भी हो रही थी कि इट बिकेम लिटिल क्रीपी. Okay, if I am talking and imagine someone is talking back,
right,
so it became creepy. Then we went to a significant smaller form factor. उसके बाद छोटा. फिर इसमें क्या होता है, आइट्रेशन एंड हार्डवेयर में क्या होती है, यू हैव टू डिफाइन कि आपको बैटरी लाइफ कितनी चाहिए. ठीक है, आपको विद इन हार्डवेयर क्या क्या कैपेबिलिटीज चाहिए. सो दोज कैपेबिलिटीज वी kept on iterating on. तो अभी हमारी बेसिकली बैटरी लाइफ भी 2 से 2.5 दिन है. ठीक है, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ कैपेबिलिटीज. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इट कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि किससे क्या बात कर रहा हूँ. Also voice reduction. So if you are going on places which are very loud, it can still recognize your voice, my voice. So all these capabilities you have to build within the hardware, which is what you continuously keep on iterating. So this is the version 5th.
तो इसमें मल्टीपल माइक्स है टू recognize. कितने माइक्स डाले हो अभी आपने?
तो वो मैं एग्जैक्टली नहीं बता सकता क्यों, बिकॉज
बट क्योंकि जैसे स्मार्टफोन में होता है या फिर किसी भी कैमरा में होता है,
देयर आर मल्टीपल माइक्स.
जितने ज्यादा माइक्स हो उतना नॉइज हम काट सकते हैं.
एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट इज दैट इज व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू थिंक बिफोर आई गॉट इनटू हार्डवेयर. It doesn't need to be जितने ज़्यादा माइक हो, ठीक है, it basically needs to be the range and the quality of the mic. Okay, which is very interesting learning. तो ये मेरे से many people ask me, my only thing is that ideal scenario when as a layman if I have to think कि जितने ज़्यादा माइक होंगे उससे उतनी ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी होगी, लेकिन वो कभी नहीं होता है.
आई थिंक टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ट तब होती है जब हमें समझ नहीं आता टेक्निकल क्या है, इट वर्क्स, इट जस्ट वर्क्स, जैसे एप्पल हमेशा कहता है.
करेक्ट.
तो अब आपने पूरी दुनिया में हर कोई स्मार्ट डिवाइस बनाने की ट्राई कर रहा है, स्मार्ट पर्सनल असिस्टेंट. हमने देखा है रैबिट है, जैसे ह्यूमेन पिन आया था. अभी भी एक फ्रेंड डिवाइस आया था, पेंडेंट्स भी और लोग बना रहे हैं, तो हर कोई स्क्रीन डाल रहा है, कोई स्पीकर डाल रहा है, कोई फिटनेस ट्रैकर डाल रहा है। तो आपने क्या क्या सोचा कि स्क्रीन क्यों ना डाले, कैमरा क्यों ना डाले, क्या थॉट प्रोसेस था?
सो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये है कि वियरेबल एज अ मार्केट, AI वियरेबल इज गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मार्केट, जो मार्क जुकरबर्ग ने भी बोला है अभी,
Right.
ठीक है। सो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल डूइंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स,
राइट।
ठीक है। तो वन ऑफ द थिंग्स विच वी वांटेड टू डू, विच आई बिलीव मस्क्स फिलॉसफी, व्हेन मस्क स्टार्टेड SpaceX, उनने क्या किया था कि नासा का एक रॉकेट लिया था, उसमें से 60% ऑफ द कंपोनेंट्स निकाल दिए थे, ठीक है। ही आस्क्ड दिस टीम टू फिगर आउट वेज to do things in those 40% of the components, only then you can create a reusable rocket.
राइट।
ठीक है। Human, I am a massive fan. उनने बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेक डाले हैं, which I really like. Okay, they can recognize what they are seeing. क्या देख रहे हैं आप, ठीक है। क्या आपको देखना है तो they have laser where you can see it on your hand. They have also voice. Okay, all these capabilities are phenomenal to have. लेकिन what it does is you need to also understand, for user it needs to be very simple as a device to use, right? उसके कारण क्या हुआ, उनका फॉर्म फैक्टर चंकी हो गया, which was around 55 grams.
राइट।
उनकी because so many things is taking place, like processing सब चीज़ों का, your vision, your laser, your voice. उसके कारण दूसरी चीज़ ये हुई थी कि उनकी बैटरी लाइफ was around 4 hours. Okay. Third thing which took place was also response rate. तो अब आपको विजन का भी आ रहा है, वॉइस का भी आ रहा है, ठीक है। इन दोनों के कारण उनका रिस्पॉन्स रेट एक्चुअली फॉर सर्टन क्वेरीज इंक्रीज टू अराउंड 12 to 14 seconds. Okay, which I feel they will figure it out gradually. But when you start doing so many things, one, it becomes complex for the end user. ठीक है. Second is for the systems also it becomes complex, right? And if you have to give a real estate of your body, तो आपको अगर बॉडी का कोई भी पार्ट देना है, you would like to have something which is very sexy, which you can augment, right? Which is like you can flaunt across your friends. So that part for a human is even more important than how many capabilities you are putting in, right? One of the best part of Ray-Ban Meta glasses is Ray-Ban Meta के ऊपर स्ट्रिक्ट गाइडलाइंस दिया था कि इससे मोटा या इससे ठीक मैं बनाऊंगा ही नहीं. अगर आपको डालना है तो इतने में करना है, वरना नहीं करेंगे. बिकॉज फॉर अ यूज़र जो एक रिंग पहनेगा, जो एक पेंडेंट काइंड ऑफ फॉर्म फैक्टर पहनेगा या बेसिकली स्मार्ट ग्लासेस पहनेगा, उसके लिए फॉर्म फैक्टर बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट वी एक्चुअली फोकस्ड ऑन, कि इट नीड्स टू बी लुकिंग सो कूल दैट इवन इफ एंड व्हेन इट्स नॉट चार्ज यू विल स्टिल लव टू वेयर इट.
आई थिंक अभी टेक ऑलमोस्ट फैशन एक्सेसरी बन गया. जैसे
Correct.
ईयरफोन्स भी हम देख रहे हैं, इयरिंग्स स्टाइल में ईयरफोन आ रहे हैं.
Correct.
एंड पेंडेंट पे तो लोग वैसे ही 15-20 हज़ार, तो उससे भी ज़्यादा खर्च देते हैं, 15-20 हज़ार खर्च देते हैं. तो ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट यू आर गेटिंग अ स्मार्ट डिवाइस.
करेक्ट.
तो डेफिनेटली गुड फॉर्म फैक्टर आपने पकड़ा है. और भी फ्यूचर में आप सोच रहे होंगे, बट अभी पूरा फोकस इसी पे है, या और भी डिजाइन सोच रहे हो, क्या क्या फॉर्म फैक्टर्स आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो?
सो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग थिंग्स आर विल कम इन फ्यूचर. ठीक है. Like I said, we want to help you build the best version of yourself. So basically, we will also be seeing what you are seeing. We will also be listening what you are listening. We will also be tracking what you are doing, right? इन चीज़ों पे सब पे काम चल रहा है currently, but we want to focus the best ever personal assistant to be built, and then we are going to start working on other ideas also which we have thought about.
ठीक है. तो मेरे को हार्डवेयर तो समझ आ गया. एक बारी प्राइसिंग कैन यू एक्सप्लेन कि क्या सोच के आपने प्राइस करा है, सब्सक्रिप्शन कैसे काम करता है, और किसी को खरीदना है तो कैसे खरीद सकता है अभी?
सो बेसिकली अभी हम लोगों ने अर्ली एक्सेस डिस्काउंट दिया हुआ है. ओके, विच इज आवर एक्चुअल प्राइसिंग इन 15,999. ओके, एंड दिस कम्स विद 1 year ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्री. उसके बाद बेसिकली मंथली कॉस्टिंग होगी, एंड डेट आल्सो वी आर नॉट डूइंग एग्रेसिव. ओके, वी आर डूइंग अराउंड for monthly pricing of subscription also around 499 to start off with. ठीक है. Second thing is we are amongst the most competitive when you compare to our competitors. While our competitors in the long run is Neuralink, which is our competitor.
Okay.
But if you have to look to wearable form factor, there is limitless. जो basically annually they will charge per month $39. Okay, this is 39 into basically if you had to convert, okay,
Right.
this is extremely high, right?
Right.
3,200 रुपए के करीब आपको देना है महीने का. ठीक है. And 12 months if you had to pay, it's phenomenally high. In our case, we wanted to make sure that what we are giving users is high quality. Also, the pricing is not that high that you are not able to use it. ठीक है. So that's why you will see our pricing is very aggressive. which is currently at early access is extremely aggressive, which is 9,999, फिर 16,000, which also is very aggressive in this market, क्योंकि आपको एक ईयर का पूरा सब्सक्रिप्शन मिल रहा है, and next month onwards after that you will be charged.
एंड द चेन इज इंक्लूडेड,
Everything is included.
तो जैसे अगर किसी को चेन चेंज करना, लेट्स से रोज गोल्ड चेन डालना हूँ, गोल्ड चेन डालना हूँ, तो वो अभी आप निकालोगे फ्यूचर में? अभी के लिए सिल्वर चेन है।
हाँ, अभी के लिए बेसिकली सिल्वर चेंज है, बट वी आर आल्सो गोइंग टू हैव विद इन द वेबसाइट आल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू पुट कस्टमाइजेशन ऑप्शंस, right? So while you are seeing currently the one which I am wearing black, right? This is going to be the current early access form factor. उसके बाद basically colors भी change होंगे, right? Depending on your taste. So you can customize your own Neo.
Got it. And this is Neo 1.
Neo 1.
Got it. तो हार्डवेयर समझ आ गया, प्राइसिंग समझ आ गया, बेस्ट टेक प्रोडक्ट्स जो होते हैं वो होते हैं कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ गुड हार्डवेयर एंड गुड सॉफ्टवेयर। तो सॉफ्टवेयर पे आपने क्या काम करा है, अगर आप शेयर कर सकते हो कौन से एआई मॉडल्स यूज़ कर रहे हो, कैसे आपने फाइन ट्यून करा है, कैसे नॉलेज ग्राफ बना रहे हो, अ लिटिल बिट कैसे सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करा है, कैसे वो प्रोग्रेस हुआ।
सो बेसिकली आप तो जानते ही होगे कि बेसिकली वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग फॉर सिस्टम के वो कंफ्यूज ना हो इज योर नॉलेज ग्राफ एल्गोरिथम, राइट? विच इज व्हाट वी हैव गॉट पेटेंटेड आल्सो.
वाओ.
Okay, so we have filed for a patent. So what you are basically, what information you are getting, how you are annotating it. So basically for जनरल पब्लिक बेसिकली क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टोर कर रहे हो, कैसे उसके ऊपर और डेटा फिल कर रहे हो और उसको रिट्रीव कैसे करोगे फास्टेस्ट वे में, तो इसके ऊपर हमने पेटेंट फाइल किया हुआ है अभी, ठीक है? दिस इज वन पार्ट ऑफ इट. देन ऑन दी बैक एंड वी हैव build our own models. So initially we learned from different small language models, लेकिन उसके बाद हम लोगों ने हमारा खुद का वेटेज क्रिएट कर दिया.
Okay.
So that we can change and play around. Hence, what we do is that end-to-end model almost is kind of ours, where everything related to weightage algorithm is created in-house.
Got it. और इसमें जैसे LLM है, let's say मैं किसी मीटिंग में हूँ और सैम ऑल्टमैन ने कुछ कल बोला है, तो LLMs में डेटा एक डेट तक स्टोर होता है, तो क्या आप उसमें वेब सर्च डाल रहे हो या फ्यूचर में डालोगे कि वो रियल टाइम डेटा भी ला सके नॉलेज ग्राफ में?
सो वो उसके लिए हम लोग नेक्स्ट वर्जन में गूगल API जो है वो काफ़ी इजी है इंटीग्रेट करना. आपको ये जानना होगा कि कौन कौन से स्पेसिफिक यूज केस के लिए डालना है, राइट? लाइक सर्च, वेदर हो गया, ठीक है, गूगल का API किस तो डेट द टीम इज ऑलरेडी वर्किंग ऑन. सो रियल टाइम आल्सो इट कैन गिव यू फीडबैक.
आई थिंक टैवली का API आता है जो हर कोई यूज़ करता है. तो इसमें अभी आप 1 साल से काम कर रहे हो, तब उस टाइम पे GPT 3.5 चल रहा था शायद से, अब GPT 4o आ गया, सिमिलरली लामा 2 था, अब लामा 3 आ गया. आपने LLMs का प्रोग्रेस क्या देखा है कि पिछले साल से अभी क्या डिफरेंट है और 2025 में क्या चेंज आने वाला है?
तो इनफैक्ट आर्यन ने GPT 3 से काम करना चालू कर दिया था, ठीक है, वेरी अर्ली टाइम. सबसे बड़ी बात है कि द कॉस्ट हैज ड्रॉप टू व्हाट 160 ऑफ द कॉस्ट समथिंग 164, राइट? तो द कॉस्ट विल कंटिन्यू टू ड्रॉप,
राइट?
ठीक है, आई बिलीव, एंड स्पीड विल कंटिन्यू टू इंक्रीज. ओके, which is where I think that 4.0 you will see speed has significantly increased, right? You are going to get other models also. Llama का नया model speed has significantly increased. Claude का के भी नए models में it has increased, right? That will continue to happen. How I see this evolving in due course of time is, I won't take a name of investor, but one of my friend is very close to a US investor, one of the biggest US investors. So they have seen the next versions of your Claudes of the world, right? One of the things that they have come back with a feedback is कि जो last versions है, जो current versions है सबके, internet data is already scrapped,
right?
Completely. So next models are not going to be part breaking. So if people are thinking that next models are going to be even as part breaking, वो होने नहीं वाला है, ठीक है? That's why you will see that people are taking their own time. इस बार OpenAI का जो event था उसमें इतनी virality भी नहीं गई like the other events, right? Because they don't have that much to share right now. But one outlier which I believe will be very interesting is XAI. ठीक है, because while internet data has been scrapped,
right,
but visual data hasn't been scrapped. So basically Elon Musk के पास ये power है कि he already have internet data. Now he will have visual data through Tesla,
right?
So that will be very interesting play, and that's why XI has raised a lot. It would be fun to see how they evolve in due course of time. क्योंकि अभी मैं Grok use करता हूँ, it's phenomenal,
right?
ठीक है, so that for me might be an outlier which would be interesting to see.
Right. And उसके पास ट्विटर का भी सारा डेटा है,
वही पूरा
इंटरनेट डेटा, रियल टाइम डेटा ऑफ ट्वीट्स, मिलियंस ऑफ ट्वीट्स.
Correct.
अच्छा, मेरे आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ दिस, यू आर वर्किंग विद ऑल द LLMs. आपने इंडियन LLMs ट्राई करे, सर्वम, कृत्रिम एटसेट्रा? व्हाट इज योर ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन अबाउट दैट?
So basically, we have tested out all the LLMs, but basically majority of we use very limited use cases of LLM, right? Because all the majority of the models are ours in this case, right? तो हम लोगों ने टेस्ट आउट सब किए हैं, but the interesting part is we have tested out Indian models also. Sarvam is actually done by one of the professors from Aryans College only, who is from IITM. Okay, so they are doing some really good work. We have met them down the line. My personal feedback, what initial is that in the initial stage, Sarvam looks good, while there still needs to be work on it. But they will be, if someone has to solve it, I am betting on them to do Indic languages. By Indic language, I mean Indian languages ke liye LLM. And that's why I'm quite excited about Sarvam, to be honest. Because when we tested out initially also, they are quite good. They need to obviously get better. But I am betting on them to solve for Indic languages.
और अगर कोई स्टार्टअप फाउंडर काम कर रहा है एआई में, किस लेयर पे काम करना चाहिए? फाउंडेशनल एलएलएम पे काम करना चाहिए, एप्लीकेशन पे करना चाहिए, किस फील्ड में करना चाहिए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक इंडिया से नेक्स्ट एआई निकलेगा?
One of the things is, अगर आपको फाउंडेशनल लेवल पे काम करना है, राइट, वी नीड मोर सपोर्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. जीपीयूज वगैरह चाहिए. द रियलिटी इज वी डोंट हैव एज ऑफ नाउ. चाइना हैज जीपीयूज, यूएस हैज जीपीयूज, and that's the reality. Fortunately or unfortunately, we will need a lot of investment. ठीक है.
आई थिंक रिलायंस और अदानी ने एनवीडिया के साथ डील्स करे हैं, बट फॉर द एवरेज स्टार्टअप फाउंडर आई डोंट नो जीपीयू एक्सेस होगा या नहीं.
करेक्ट. वो हम लोग को देखना बाकी है, राइट? बिकॉज द रियलिटी इज, इवन इफ यू लाइक इट और नॉट, ओके, चाइना हैज जीपीयू एक्सेस फिनोमिनल, यूएस हैज जीपीयू एक्सेस, सो दे आर बिल्डिंग देयर मॉडल्स. ठीक है. इंडिया के लिए, सो we want to see how it plays out in the future with all the partnerships which we are doing, which would be interesting. But currently, I don't know. Okay, so I will always ask user to build in application layer. So application layer also, there is huge use cases in specific agentic framework. So general user के लिए agentic framework ये होता है कि आप कोई भी चीज़, be it banking हो गई, be it खाने का हो गया, इन सब में एक framework होता है कि अगर आपको order करना है, ठीक है, तो वो सिस्टम अंडरस्टैंड आपकी बेस्ट, आपकी फेवरेट चॉइस करके कैसे क्राफ्ट कर सकता है आपकी पूरा फ्लो. That is agentic framework.
Right.
So I think there are very specific use cases in agentic frameworks. I think that is one place where I think we can build a lot.
Amazing.
And India, when you talk about where will India lead, I think India will lead in deep tech. Because deep tech के लिए all of a sudden I am seeing lot of talent. Okay, people are building casks for rocket. Okay, people are doing basically brain. Okay, basically they are understanding brains. Okay, one of the interesting companies which I met was they basically understand every activity which is happening inside your neurons. Again, very deep tech. You are now building EVs which are coming out of India, like Ether, all those, majorly deep tech, right? I think deep tech is one market where I am betting India to win on, if there is enough funds.
Right. I think इकोसिस्टम तो काफ़ी बढ़ गया है, तो देयर आर मेनी डीप टेक फंड्स, स्पेशली जो डीप टेक में ही करते हैं.
But government को specifically, I think government should also start because deep tech will require investment now in due course of time.
क्योंकि डीप टेक में क्या होता है, आप 2-3 साल तक काम करते हो, फिर आपको रिजल्ट दिखता है. 2-3 साल तक कुछ रेवेन्यू नहीं आता, कुछ नहीं आता, फिर उसके बाद बहुत ही फिनोमिनल ग्रोथ होती है.
इनफैक्ट एथर तो IITM से काम कर रहे थे तब उनने लॉन्च किया, इतना ज़्यादा लगता है. ठीक है. So that's where I think it requires a lot of money and patience to build a deep tech startup.
तो आपके बाय चांस आपको फैमिली में ही एक जीनियस मिल गया. सो हाउ डिड आर्यन जॉइन इट? उसकी जर्नी क्या? उसने अपने कॉलेज में ही एक एआई एल्गोरिथम बनाया था ब्रेन ट्यूमर्स को डिटेक्ट करने का. तो उसकी जर्नी कैसे थी?
आपको कैसे पता?
शार्क टैंक एपिसोड में मेंशन किया था.
तो उसकी बेसिकली ये जर्नी थी दैट ही वाज ऑलरेडी इंटरेस्टेड इन, तब एआई नहीं होते थे, NLP मॉडल्स होते थे, राइट? OG, yeah, that is how you called AI earlier.
Right.
ठीक है, NLP, so he was always working, he was very interested. I for one wasn't interested in becoming a founder, which I told you. ठीक है, लेकिन he used to push me that we need to figure out, do something together. And that's when I met Aryan. Okay, I'm lucky to have him as a co-founder. ठीक है, together we work around 18 hours a day. He stretches a lot. Okay, and he has built systems. Okay, with at this early stage, learning, reading so much to understand, to build a system which globally is one of the earliest. ठीक है, क्योंकि आप हमारे कॉम्पिटिटर भी देख लो ना, लिमिटलेस फ्रेंड्स वगैरह, वो लोग भी अभी डिलीवर कहाँ कर रहे हैं? स्केल पे. We might be the first one to start delivering on scale. Might be not, definitely. Okay, and he has built it. Okay, so that for me is very lucky to have him on board. And also the fact is, when you are co-founders and cousins, right, who you know each other, लड़ाई भी हो जाएगी तो कहाँ जाओगे, ठीक है, you will understand, you will come back, so you keep on learning. So that fact kind of helped us, and that fact also helped us कि जब आप startup build करते हो ना, नहीं, you would be also knowing कि iteration is very important. So when you have someone who you can quickly learn and move on and understand, that was really helpful with Aryan.
राइट. सो धनंजय, आपने अनुपम मित्तल से फंडिंग ली बिफोर शार्क टैंक, और मैंने देखा अनुपम मित्तल जिस भी स्टार्टअप को सपोर्ट करता है वो लाइक ही बिकम्स अ सुपर हीरो फॉर दैट स्टार्टअप, पूरा एम्बेसडर बन जाता है. स्निच के साथ उन्होंने कलेक्शन लॉन्च करी थी, आपको वो फुली सपोर्ट कर रहे. तो ये कैसे आपने अनुपम मित्तल को सिक्योर कैसे करा, कैसे अप्रोच करा, हाउ वाज द होल स्टोरी?
So basically ये हुआ था हमारे साथ कि we went viral, okay, that money control covered us. ठीक है, उसके बाद on Twitter there were lots of people talking about us, so much so that Grok में if you had to put AI wearable in India, we were the only ones who will turn up, right? So people started tweeting about us. Then Samir Mehta, who is the CEO and co-founder of Bot, he joined us. Then one of my friend actually told to the person who looks into investments for Anupam about us, okay? And that guy has become a very close friend of mine also now. Super sweet guy. He's handling the way he handles Anupam's fund. He is the most amazing guy to work with. Okay. So he became bullish on us. Okay. He actually within 1 week, he introduced us to Anupam. And Anupam जैसे आपको Shark Tank में दिखते हैं ना, वैसे ही आप जब उनसे वैसे ही पिच करने जाओगे ना in person, he is almost the same. So I was thinking, and after meeting so many investors, okay, you are always taken aback. He has got his personality, he has got his ways of asking questions. When I met him first time, I was taken aback because I have never met a personality like him. ठीक है, he had so many questions. मुझे 10-15 मिनट में लग रहा था कि he is going to tell me please leave. Okay, that happened. But that continued for an hour. It started getting better and better. And at the end of the day, when I was leaving, he put his hand around my shoulder. I still remember. He told me that you are very interesting. Okay, so at that point of time, I took it as a compliment. I still thought that I don't know whether anything is going to happen here or not. Okay. I basically took a screenshot of our meeting notes from my app and shared it again to the person who looks at his investments, right? And then he said quickly to Anupam, within the next 2 days, I get a call from them asking that Anupam will like to do a tech deep dive. And when he started looking into the tech deep dive, पहली चीज उन्होंने ये पूछी, tell me guys, is this real or have you photo edited it because it is eerie? Then we told him no, it's real. उस समय भी दिखाया उन्हें. फिर he tech deep dived with Aryan. And then finally he became so confident that he was like, guys, I just don't want to be an investor. मेरे को founding advisor बनना है. Because I think that you guys can make it massive. And that's what I want to help you in. So once we got him, like you are correct, he is one of those guys, if he backs you, he will back you to the T. कि मैं इसको बड़ा बनवा सकता हूँ. And that is the kind of, so imagine a person who has funded so many companies, he actually talks to us on weekly basis through messages, and we also talk to him almost in meetings through monthly basis in person as well. But he always has feedbacks, okay, and he takes the time out for us, which for me was phenomenal to have a founding advisor like him who has actually invested in so many companies, build Sari.com himself, giving you advice around this, which actually helped us in elevating our products significantly more.
So, Anupam के बाद now you have taken funding from Namita. How do they work together? क्या आपको like साथ में meetings होती है या हर investor के साथ अलग-अलग feedback लेते हो? How does it work?
So, as you must be aware, right, for the biggest of the investors, you have to talk to them separately, take their feedback, and then figure out how you move ahead, right? With Namita, I feel she is one of the most sweetest person to work with. During the episode also, the way she backed us throughout, while she were completely, उन्ने बहुत grill किया था हमें, पूरे episode में दिखता भी है कितना grill किया था, but the way she backed us, okay, through the episode was phenomenal. And जब हम लोग गए भी थे ना, so people thought that we were the first ones to give the deals, okay, the fastest deal ever made. कुछ 3-4 सेकंड में कर दी थी, ठीक है, because we had certain things in mind कि इससे इतने से इतने तक हम लोग डील करेंगे, and these are the sharks which we want. Okay, so if those things are met, I am one of those guys, even in meetings, if you take quick decisions, you will be able to move faster. If you look at Musk, every meeting he will take a decision and move fast. Okay, so I am firm believer of that. So जब उनके साथ मिले, the way she backed us, really liked it. And in our case, we truly believe that one of the use cases is mental health, because the kind of queries we have also started getting, right, which is from dementia patients, ADHD community, बहुत strong traction मिलने लगा, right? And then when you meet her as person, so I met her in person also for Shark Tank. Very sweet. She was like, I would like to get you into the complete healthcare system because it's massive, right? So again, it was a great experience, and coming from a company which is already it has a not 10,000, even 25,000 crore CR kind of company, right? So her backing, okay, was very important for us because then we can help into healthcare.
एंड डेफिनेटली इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नेटवर्क है, इफ यू
वो
कैन
है।
गेट दिस डिवाइस इवन टू 5-10,000 इनिशियल यूजर्स,
Correct.
जो सबसे डिफिकल्ट काम होता है किसी भी
Correct.
स्टार्टअप के लिए. एंड आपकी बारी में कुणाल बहल, उनका सबसे पहला सीजन है. कुणाल बहल वाज इन योर
Hmm.
शार्क टैंक ऑल्सो. हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस फर्स्ट टाइम ही वाज जॉइनिंग एज अ शार्क? उनके साथ कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
So मेरा एक्सपीरियंस काफी अच्छा था. I enjoyed his questions. We stood our ground. I still appreciate what he has done with Titan Capital. Okay, they are very well known. So I too enjoyed it. But I also sort of knew that they might not invest because, like he told, right, they don't do pre-revenue companies as much. So that I knew. With Aman also, with Aman also I had great experience. But we already had Sameer on board.
राइट.
Okay, who understand tech in and out. तो अमन खुद ही बोलते हैं कि Sameer is the guy who takes care of tech. Okay, and he is the guy who takes care of business.
राइट.
So this went really well.
समीर में, सो एवरीवन व्हेन दे थिंक ऑफ बोट वो अमन का सोचते हैं. समीर बहुत सारे जनरल पब्लिक को नहीं पता. कैन यू शेयर समीर के साथ, ही वाज द फर्स्ट वन टू बैक यू आई थिंक, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और हाउ इज ही गाइडिंग यू फॉर नियो सेपियन?
Oh, he is one of the most amazing guys I have met. Okay. If he is so helpful, he realized that at that point of time, I think our product was not that great also. After that, we have actually got significantly elevated. But जब आप नए जाते हो ना, it's not that उस क्वालिटी का कभी प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता. He realized that we were one of the only companies to come out with an original product. He was like, I'm going to back you guys. And for that, he actually helped us connecting with his supply team, with their hiring team for an initial startup, which are at its very early stages. These are very critical for you to even crawl, right? You will also understand. So for me, the kind of experience I have got from him is just something amazing. It's amazing because he also, to an extent, that अभी वो CES में गए थे. Imagine a person who has gone to CES right now. He took pictures of certain wearables which he found interesting and shared it with me. Imagine having us in top of his mind to share it.
Right.
For a person who has got so many things going on, right? So that's why I too find him one of the most.
Right. But I think you're the right company, right? CES, हम ये like as Indians हम ये सारे CES फॉलो करते हैं, मोबाइल वर्ल्ड कॉन्फ्रेंस जो भी इवेंट्स होते हैं. We want to see अब इंडियन डिवाइसेस भी बहुत हो गया कि चाइनीज, जापानीज, अमेरिकन हो. We want to see. So are you planning CES 2025 तो हो गया, 2026 में Neo Sapien, Neo 2, Neo 1?
100% होगा वो. And even we are actually planning for, there are other big events also that take place across US and Europe. We would like to go showcase our tech, because it's, I think we as Indians should be even now thinking of our journey. आपको ये लगता रहता है ना कि आप ट्रैक करते जाते हो, ऊपर पहुंचते हो, तब तक आपको पता नहीं होता कितने चढ़ गए हो. Now to an extent we have also realized अब यहाँ तक आ चुके हैं. ठीक है. So now we should proudly say that built in India for the world. Right. And that's what we want to show everywhere.
Right. And मेरे को एक आपकी वेबसाइट की बहुत अच्छी चीज़ ये लगी कि जैसे बहुत सारे मेड इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं या डिज़ाइन इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, वो हर जगह ऐसे इंडिया डालते हैं. आपने पूरा टेक के बारे में डाला हुआ है. यू आर ट्राइंग कि इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड है. इट्स अ गुड थिंग कि इंडिया से बना हुआ है, बट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज अप टू द स्टैंडर्ड अराउंड द वर्ल्ड.
आई थिंक वही सबके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट. दैट इज व्हाट आई से, राइट. नेवर बिल्ड इट फॉर एन इंडियन ऑडियंस, क्योंकि फिर आप गलत कर रहे हो. बिल्ड इट फॉर अ ग्लोबल ऑडियंस. ठीक है. बेंचमार्क योरसेल्फ अगेंस्ट द हाईएस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. ओनली देन यू कैन एक्चुअली अचीव समथिंग बिग.
सो डेफिनेटली आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. हमने बहुत ज़्यादा नियो सेपियन की बात कर ली. आई वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड धनंजय अभी. सो आप शुरू में फुटबॉल में इंटरेस्टेड थे. आई थिंक आप विच क्लब डू यू सपोर्ट?
I support Atletico Madrid. ठीक है. In fact, Atletico Madrid invited me over to Madrid Derby. Madrid Derby is basically Real Madrid versus Atletico Madrid as their greatest fan ever. And they created a video out of me which went very viral across all the big European media houses. तो आई एम सच अ बिग एथलेटिको मैड्रिड फैन.
सो मोस्टली इंडिया में लोग या तो ईपीएल देखते हैं या ला लीगा देखते हैं. जब रोनाल्डो मेसी चल रहे थे सारे लोग ला लीगा देखते थे. या लोग बार्सिलोना सपोर्ट करते हैं या लोग रियल मैड्रिड सपोर्ट करते हैं. आपने एथलेटिको मैड्रिड क्यों सपोर्ट किया?
पता नहीं मेरी हर समय से ये आई डोंट नो बाय डिफॉल्ट आई यूज्ड टू लाइक अंडरडॉग्स. ठीक है, तो आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज सपोर्ट अंडरडॉग्स. सो एथलेटिको मैड्रिड आई यूज्ड टू सपोर्ट. आई वॉच in tennis. I am massive fan of Nadal. He has been one of my biggest idol because he overcame biggest injuries in time to actually win 23 Grand Slam, I think. One of the most again, that guy came against all the odds. Injuries thi. Federer was at his peak to win. So I get inspired by people like that, right? Even in Formula 1, so people will have different opinions, but the way Max Verstappen got Red Bull to the top, okay, was phenomenal. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसके पहले 7 championship was won back to back by Mercedes. ठीक है, while people will have different opinions, but I think that was a guy who single-handedly pushed a constructor to win it, right? So I have always sort of been that I like those underdogs winning. I also have that mentality that people who can push 10x higher, okay, are going to be winners. And that has always lasted. Even हमारी team में one of the biggest things in culture is one thing which we look for hiring. We will even if it is required, we won't hire. We will only hire if the person is 10x of what is expected. And that is our mentality as well.
Right. So Atletico Madrid में उस time पे when did you start supporting Atletico?
Fernando Torres.
Fernando Torres.
He was my favorite.
एंड हमेशा से उनके स्ट्राइकर्स टॉप पे रहे हैं. अभी भी यू आर सपोर्टिंग एथलेटिको मैड्रिड?
अभी भी. इस बार शायद जीत जाए.
हाँ, अभी चांस है. रियल मैड्रिड आई थिंक बार्सिलोना तो निकल गए, बट एथलेटिको और रियल के बीच में चांस है. हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस गोइंग टू स्पेन वाचिंग द मैच इन द स्टेडियम?
इट वाज अमेजिंग. तो अगेन आई लव मैड्रिड अ लॉट बिकॉज स्पोर्ट्स एज अ कल्चर इज बिग. ठीक है, वहाँ पर राफेल नडाल, ओके, एकेडमी इज आल्सो देयर. Then basically they are known for Formula 1 also because Fernando Alonso was also there. Fernando Torres. Spain की team, football team is phenomenal. Last time Euros में आप देखोगे you are just mesmerized by such a young team winning it.
Lamine Yamal.
Correct. So I really enjoy their culture because they are all about sports. And that gives you goosebumps, right? Ke they have diversified themselves into different sports, right? In India, we primarily focus on cricket, which is also what I like. But we have not diversified in sports. You won't be having that same following. I think with so many people around us, right? Athletic sports, which is Formula 1 नहीं, football हो गया, basketball हो गया, all these sports also we should be somewhere there because these are physically intrinsic game. And I think that is something I want to see India come forward.
राइट. सो क्रिकेट यू मेंशन एंड यू मेंशन कि धोनी के साथ भी आपने काम करा है. सो हाउ वाज, कैसे आपने काम करा था? हाउ हैव यू एवर मेट हिम? हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग विद धोनी?
So with Dhoni, the experience was really good. I met him during the Homeland campaign. Very soft spoken, amazing person. क्योंकि जब आप कैंपेन करते हो, ठीक है, you have to closely work with the brand ambassador. In our case, he was very closely integrated with the brand. That was one of the biggest brand ambassador that we got him on board. And still Homeland has him as the brand ambassador, right? Very sweet guy, very soft spoken, and really inspiring in the way that he did not have any, like, sort of, you hear so many things around, right? Ke when you get celebrities, you become more of attitude. All these guys. I have been amazed to be meeting Fernando Torres, who was at his peak, who has won Euro, World Cup. Was so sweet. You have the video also. When he actually shook my hand, I still remember that there was a thing, that humility which was flowing through him, and you realize as a person, आपको vibe पता चल जाता है. Similarly, that humility I saw in MSD also. He was very chill, very humble, and that is something I really appreciate. And that's why, to an extent, one of my idol has been Nadal because he is the most humble sports person ever seen. उससे पूछा गया था, I don't know whether I should talk in this podcast or not, but उससे Wimbledon पूछा, जो वो जीता था against Federer. He was asked the question that, do you think you can win against Federer? He said, no, I don't. Federer has to have a really bad game for me to win. That humility is what I think right now people miss. And I think humility defines an individual.
Right. अच्छा, since we're talking so much about sports, do you play sports also?
I play sports a lot.
Which sports do you usually play?
I basically play right now football.
Hmm.
Right now का मतलब last 3-4 weeks से तो नहीं खेल पाया because of all the activities which are happening around. But I used to play football twice or thrice in the week morning because I believe, again, I am big time into health. So I believe playing it between 7 to 8:30 when you are waking up, testosterone levels are high. At that point of time, it also helps you building more muscle because your testosterone levels are high, right? So that is one sport which I play. Other sport which I play is with my friends once in a while, cricket. Okay, so I was earlier a regional level cricketer.
Okay.
But I realized basically, and I was a marathoner also. So I have done marathons as well. But I realized with both of these activities is marathon mein what was happening is I was losing lot of body fat. So I became very thin, very, very lean. And that's when I decided that I need to do sprints rather than just going for marathon. So I reduced it. Second था football, cricket था. Cricket I used to love playing, but cricket wasn't that. If you had to play 1 or 2 hours, it won't tire you as a sport. That's when I started falling more into football. Again, football. When I get into anything, which I think is with any entrepreneur, you have to be like a maniac. You have to be really amazing at things, right? So उसमें फिर क्या किया था? I got into divisional football. I even broke my tooth. Okay, while playing football. So I used to play in morning and evening. And nowadays there is this pickleball. Okay, pickleball का the fun part is कि मेरे friends जाते हैं. By default when they call it, okay, call me in the night when you have a stressful day. I go and play along with that. It helps you de-stressing. So these are some of the sports I play.
And you're wearing Whoop band. तो Apple Watch होता है, Galaxy Watch होता है. Why have you chosen Whoop as the smart band that you decided to wear?
So सब लोग के different people have different parameters which they want to track. So some people want to track sleep. So sleep really comes well on, say, Ultra Human Ring, right? Sleep comes good on Whoop, also amazing matrices. But for me, I wanted to track recovery. So what recovery means is कि जब मैं peak fitness में, when I start getting into fitness, I will go play sports in the morning and do weight training in the evening, right? That actually आपकी body पे काफी stress डालता है वो. Sometimes what happen we don't realize, but if the recovery is not that high, so next time when you are hitting it, right, a gym, you are anyways going to diminishing the overall impact, right, every time. So that I started realizing that when I was continuously doing morning and evening for a few days, and then I continued doing it, but the effectiveness reduced उसका. So I wanted to then understand कि मेरी recovery कितनी हो रही है. And accordingly then I can relax my body and then go again, because impact उतना ही होने वाला है. इनफैक्ट ज़्यादा होने वाला है कि जब आपकी recovery ज़्यादा है. So that's why I started tracking Whoop.
And a lot of people wear Whoop sleep के लिए भी, क्योंकि it's more comfortable, strap ज़्यादा comfortable है. तो are you recording sleep Whoop में?
हाँ.
तो score, do you like, what's your score? Like बहुत competition होता है, especially entrepreneurs में, कि मेरा score ये है, आप इसका score ये है, आपका score क्या, आप share कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, मैं share कर सकता हूँ. अभी मेरा sleep score बहुत low है. It was last I checked was around 57, 58. Day before yesterday was the lowest ever, which fell to 54. Okay, but I am not proud of it. There was a time 3 weeks back, I made sure that I start hitting 98 to 100 ka range, and I will always stay entrepreneur. That and longevity, because longevity as a subject has become so big. Sleep is the biggest parameter, और इसीलिए मैं सबको बोलता हूँ, there is a book known as Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker, which even Bill Gates has recommended, Kobe Bryant has recommended. 8 hours of sleep is critical. Now it has become fashionable on Twitter, hustle hard, don't sleep, hustle hard, don't sleep. I say hustle hard, but also make sure that you are getting your sleep, because that sleep is the biggest thing for your longevity, for you to last long. तो वो मैं काफ़ी उसके ऊपर काफ़ी अभी नहीं हो पा रहा, but I focus a lot on sleep. That 8 hours somehow I need to figure out.
Right, I think one of the most popular figures is Brian Johnson.
Correct.
I don't know if you're following.
I met him also when he was here.
Yeah, he was in Bangalore.
Yeah.
How was the experience of meeting Brian Johnson?
So it was good. Okay, so to be completely honest, I have been following fitness routine since the last 15 years. I don't know since when I started following intermittent fasting. I am always on intermittent fasting. I have always been into sleep. I have always recognized the power of sleep. I have also recognized the power of what you are eating, right? But I do eat a lot of junk. So I am very particular about what my body is asking and what I need to eat. So I don't do coffee, because coffee का एक reason है कि coffee. So if I had to drink also, I will drink over on Saturday or Sunday where my body can recover
Hmm.
because the stress load is lesser. Okay, so one of these days I will select.
Hmm.
And that also I don't have cocktails because cocktails initially is more calorie. I will rather
Hmm.
have something which is more, say for example, a gin and tonic or
Hmm.
whiskey and water, all those kind of things. But basically I have also realized that other times also I don't have coffee because coffee की half life ज़्यादा होती है.
Hmm.
तो half life का मतलब जो people who don't know is that half life का मतलब till the time it will last in your body.
Hmm.
So coffee's half life is more than 6 hours. So it will
Hmm.
always impact in your sleep if you are having it, right? So I don't have coffee.
Hmm.
So that I reduced it. So basically when Brian Johnson started talking, majority of the things I was already aligned with.
Hmm.
So that was a good experience seeing people understand, ask questions. But majority of the thing I understood, and meeting him as a person was also quite interesting experience because you always see him doing things, right? Which are kind of very interesting because plasma therapy उनने किया है अपने बच्चे के साथ, ठीक है, he have done TRT, he has done all those therapies. So I wanted to just see him, meet him as a person. In person, he's very sweet. Again, he was like, he looked at our wearable, he was excited about it. He asked me, what does it do? So I told him it gives you, because with these guys, they want everything which is unlimited life. So I told him it gives you unlimited memory. So he was quite interested. So yeah.
Amazing. So एक what I wanted to discuss with you, आपने इंडिया के टॉप स्टार्टअप्स में काम करा एज अ फाउंडिंग मेंबर.
Hmm.
तो हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस रेजर पे में या लिव स्पेस में? और एक क्वेश्चन मेरा ये है कि जब आप फाउंडिंग मेंबर होते हो आपको ऑप्शन मिलता है स्टॉक लेने का. तो एज एन एम्प्लॉय कोई भी अगर स्टार्टअप अप्रोच करे, आपके पास 2 ऑप्शंस, या तो आप सैलरी ज़्यादा लो या आप स्टॉक में लो. सो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस कि आपने स्टॉक में लिया था? व्हाट डू यू रिकमेंड? कोई स्टार्टअप ज्वाइन कर रहा है तो स्टॉक ऑप्शंस लेने चाहिए या सैलरी पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए एट अ यंग एज?
मैं तो हर समय यही बोलता हूँ, एंड दिस इज आल्सो टोनी फेडल की एक बुक है बिल्ड में, ठीक है, उन्होंने क्लियरली बोला है कि ज्वाइन समथिंग विच यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट. व्हेन यू आर ज्वाइनिंग समथिंग विच यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट, गो फॉर स्टॉक्स. ठीक है, क्योंकि दैट स्टॉक विल, सो इट्स अप टू इंडिविजुअल अगेन. इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर हायर सैलरी, इट्स योर ऑप्शन. But I will always recommend everyone higher salary versus stock. If you are passionate about something, always go for stocks because that stocks will turn out to be massive in long run. और stock basically तब मिलेंगे आपको जब आप good 4-5 years if you have stayed.
Right.
Unless and until in 2016, 17, 18 was the phase where market was bullish, where basically buybacks बहुत ज़्यादा चालू हो गए थे, right? Which I was lucky, I was in those buybacks, but I was also lucky to be a part of cultures which were amazing. So when I was in Razorpay, it was such a small team. हमारा एक फ्लोर होता था, अब तो पूरी बिल्डिंग होगी, होगी नहीं, हो गई है, हाँ अब तो बिल्डिंग्स है, ठीक है. तो एक फ्लोर होता था, एवरीवन न्यू एवरीवन, ठीक है. सो इट वाज अ फिनोमिनल एक्सपीरियंस. बिल्डिंग बेसिकली मार्केटिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, पिक्सल डालना है, एनालिटिक्स देखना है, ये सब वाज फिनोमिनल. सो आई एंजॉयड माय एक्सपीरियंस ओवर देयर विद Tanuj and with Srikanth when I joined Homeland. For me, they have been very instrumental in mentoring me. Tanuj specifically, he used to work very closely with me. And he has basically mindset of hustling, being clear के 12 महीने 18 महीने 3 साल का प्लान कैसे बनाना है, कैसे बिल्ड करनी है कंपनी. That was the phase I learned the most. Homeland, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमारे पहले Homeland ने इतना रेज नहीं किया था. And since the time I think with Tanuj's guidance we started doing phenomenally great in marketing and product. So when I had joined, I used to only look at customer acquisition, लेकिन उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरे को insight sales और product भी दिया था, जिसके कारण हमारी growth significantly high हुई थी. And I think in my overall development also he has got a huge impact because he made me understand कि forecasting वगैरह कितने high level पे करनी है. And then I joined Zalando, which was based in Berlin. Again, people think that when आप यूरोप में जाते हो तो आपकी लाइफ बेसिकली वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस अच्छा होगा, ठीक है,
राइट.
बट वन पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इज इफ यू आर अ हसलर, ठीक है, आपका वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इज गोइंग टू गेट इवन मोर हेक्टिक. सो आई यूज्ड टू वर्क टिल 2-3 AM. Okay, which is weird for people to listen because I was in Europe. ठीक है, लेकिन आपको अगर आप एक कंपनी है Zalando, which happens to be one of the biggest e-commerce over there, you are handling 23 different markets. वो आपको स्टडी करने 23 different market में, टीम बिल्ड करनी है, स्ट्रेटेजी बिल्ड करनी है. इट्स सो ड्रेनिंग, ठीक है, 2-3 बजे तक आप काम कर रहे हो. एंड वी व्हाट हैपेंस बिटवीन, अगेन वेरी गुड इंसाइट इज यूरोपियन एंड इंडियंस. ओके, Indians as such want to grow faster. Europeans also want to grow faster, but they are very specific about their work life also. Indian wants to lead team faster, build teams faster. So we always hustle. Why? Because we have been brought like this. So IITM से जो बच्चे आते हैं, IIM से बच्चे आते हैं, by default उनका hustle ही रही है. So with that mindset you enter. and then you want to always perform at your peak, right? And you will always be measured. When you are measured with locals, okay, you will always have to perform at 140, 160% to be measured against them.
Hmm.
So when you are in role which are demanding, I think you will end up still working a lot.
So how was Bangalore से Berlin culture shift कैसा लगा? Like how was the experience like Bangalore startup to a Berlin startup?
So Bangalore, so India, we as Indians, which I like, is we are emotional as human, right? So we will always be talking, we will always be caring about each other. We are just more emotional, okay? That doesn't mean they are not caring enough, okay, in Europe, but specifically their culture is different, right? काम से काम रखेंगे, ठीक है. When they are required, then they will turn up, right? That is completely different culture, which also I like. Okay, it's their way of living life. ठीक है, to maintain certain distance to meet. Apart from this, so Indians are emotional. Another thing is your team. If you are good enough manager, your team will be very connected to you. They will push boundaries here. वो कुछ भी कर जाएंगे आपके लिए if you are a good leader, which I think we are lucky to have such, which I have seen. यूरोप वगैरह में they will maintain their distance. They won't push boundaries for you. You have to push boundaries. Okay, so here if you are a leader, your team will work equivalent to you or will basically work to make you be successful. There you have to figure out your own ways because they will maintain different. They have their work-life balance. So if something is not done, you cannot ask them after a point of time to do it. You have to do it yourself. ठीक है, ये difference है. Apart from that, the general life. I think general life, I feel that overall somewhere in India we lack open spaces. So in Berlin I used to walk. Okay, there used to be forest. And when you're walking, it again comes down to कि when you move, okay, your mind is making sense of everything. तो आपके रोड पे जो भी आवाज़ चल रही है, जितनी भी चीज़ें, your mind is making sense of everything. And it's said that right now data which we consume is 74 GB of data. It's phenomenal. ठीक है, अब बर्लिन जैसे आप जगह में जाते हो बहुत ही शांत है. There is forest around, right? Your mind, I don't know, you just feel it's lighter. Because your mind is not making sense of so many things. People don't press horn because it's not counted as civic sense, right? Footpaths is for people who are walking. I seriously want to figure out how to stop bikers from going into footpaths in Bangalore. Okay, so those are certain things which I realize. So both have their pros and cons, I think. But overall, my experience have been that working in India, you will always meet people who are emotional, who will make you build something big, who will work with you, who have bigger dreams, they are going to hustle. Civic sense, we have to figure out to work around it.
अच्छा, you've mentioned Neuralink a lot and आप कह रहे थे आप बाकी स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस से बाकी स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस से कंपेयर नहीं कर रहे, न्यूरालिंक से कंपेयर कर रहे हो. एंड आई थिंक आपका लॉन्ग टर्म विजन भी कुछ न्यूरालिंक जैसा बनाना है. सो क्या स्टडी करा है आपने और क्या आपका 5 ईयर विजन क्या है कि नियोसेपियन को क्या लेके जाना है?
तो बेसिकली न्यूरालिंक का ये न्यूरालिंक इन सिंपल टर्म्स फॉर पीपल इज इट्स ब्रेन टू कंप्यूटर इंटरफेस. सो बोला कि चिप इम्प्लांट करते हैं. हमारी स्टडी में वी रियलाइज दैट पीपल विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग इन्वेसिव इन ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज बायो इंजीनियरिंग ग्लोबली इज बिकमिंग बिग. ठीक है, तो TRTs हो गया, प्लाज्मा थेरेपी हो गया, ये सब काफ़ी ज़्यादा गेन कर रहे हैं ट्रैक्शन, ओके, ओवरसीज एंड ग्रेजुअली दे विल कम इन इंडिया आल्सो बिकॉज नाउ पीपल वांट टू बी द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ देयर सेल्फ. इनफैक्ट यू विल बी अमेज्ड दैट राइट नाउ पीपल हु स्पेंड सो मच ऑन कॉस्मेटिक्स, बी इट हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट, इंडिया में भी बोटॉक्स वगैरह में दोज मार्केट हैज सिग्निफिकेंटली ग्रोन, राइट? सो बायो इंजीनियरिंग इज कंटिन्यू टू ग्रो, बट वी बिलीव फॉर एन इन्वेसिव टेक्नोलॉजी लाइक न्यूरालिंक, early adoption will start taking place 10 years down the line. Okay, by that point of time, we will already have generated so much of data. So we are not invasive. That's the only difference, right? Because we are also understanding from you, generating, we are also human to machine interface, right? Understanding everything. So this is what we see ourselves. In future, how we are going to evolve it, it will get even more miniaturized. So future, it could be in your lenses, say for example. The contact lenses which you are wearing, we will be also be able to see, like I told you, we want to see, track and listen to what you are doing to make you superhuman, right? So we will also significantly start getting more and more miniaturized. How much of miniaturization, which form factor, I don't know, but it could be like a contact lens also which can understand everything from you. So yeah.
So invasiveness of course, like मेरे को भी बहुत weird लगता है कि brain के अंदर कुछ you're putting, but for a medical person it's fine because अगर कुछ मेडिकल इशू आप फेस कर रहे हो एंड इट कैन हेल्प क्योर. पर्सनली आपका क्या फीलिंग है कि फ्यूचर में क्या आप भी इसमें घुसोगे या यू विल ऑलवेज स्टे नॉन इन्वेजिव?
So I think that people will start getting invasive. ठीक है, क्योंकि प्लाज्मा थेरेपी और टीआरटी के साथ हो रहा है. इट्स अबाउट इफेक्टिवनेस, राइट?
राइट.
You need to still learn about things, right? So it's never say never, right? But currently I believe as of now there is lots of research which is getting done. People are getting invasive, and I think when you talk about 2047, by then people will start getting invasive, but never say never. We will learn from it. Right now we are non-invasive. Okay, we will continue to get miniaturized.
आई थिंक अभी लाइक न्यूरालिंक यू लिसन टू इट कि तुम्हारी ब्रेन में होल होगा. दैट्स व्हाट स्केयर्स पीपल. बट लेट्स से सिर्फ एक इंजेक्शन डाल रहे हो और
वही करना
जा
होना
रहा
है.
है,
करेक्ट.
तो पीपल माइट गेट कंफर्टेबल. एंड हमने ऑलरेडी गेम्स देखी है, साइबर पंक, इतनी सारी साइंस फिक्शन मूवीज़ है, एंड्रॉइड्स होते हैं, साइबॉर्ग्स होते हैं. डू यू फॉलो साइंस फिक्शन ऑल्सो? डू यू फॉलो such movies, such series, Black Mirror and all?
I do like following. I do like following because people who ride around science fiction, no, they are very imaginative. They look at future, and if you see lots of things which were written in larger science fiction book, they are coming into realities.
Right. What is your favorite science fiction या general action movies, whatever that you have seen that has inspired you?
So science fiction, so fiction has, non-fiction has inspired me. Science fiction hasn't as much. I like seeing it like Cyberpunk. My brother likes playing it. I've seen how futuristic it is. Okay, I was amazed. I have also seen basically Black Mirror, where people have been comparing us to a Black Mirror episode. That also part is quite amazing, right? Things are going to become more and more reality. We feel that those are very weird things to look at it right now. But if you look at it way back, right, humanity, people who were in, say, Mayan civilization, Indic civilization, they would be looking at us the same way.
Right.
कि यार इन लोग के पास ये सब चीज़ें, ये तो बहुत weird है, possible नहीं है. 50 years down the line, I believe we are going to be intergalactic species. E-taxis are going to become common क्योंकि काम चल रहा है उसके ऊपर. Everything is going to be EV. ठीक है, we are going to become the best version of ourselves by being more and more basically understanding what enables you the best way, right? Because these things, I believe the biggest question is, will AI take over? I never think AI is going to take over. I think it will enable you as a person to use your decision making capabilities to much larger things. आज हमारा टाइम इतनी चीज़ें, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमारा टाइम चेक इन में जा रहा है, ठीक है, ईमेल ड्राफ्ट करने में जा रहा है, if someone is able to automate it, I can use that much amount of time in other creative activities, right? So that is where I see, and I think that is what is going to happen. Right. But yeah, I want to see the time, hopefully by then we all are alive with intergalactic e-taxis and Neo Sapien taking over.
Everyone will be wearing Neo Sapien devices.
Also.
Final question, आपका अगले 2025-2026 में Neo Sapien का क्या विजन है इंडिया में?
Neo Sapien, I want India. So मेरा सबसे बड़ा विजन है कि Neo Sapien should take over as actually 2025-2026 में we should actually replace cell phones for decision making. That people like it so much that they are like, मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ या मैं I am going outside. We don't need to take cell phones. Neo one is good enough. It's the same way how we shifted from laptops to mobiles. Okay, because what started happening is कि while laptops is good for your official purposes, for personal purposes, for picture taking and all those capabilities, people started using cell phones, right? Now for everything decision making, even if they lose cell phone, even if they keep cell phone aside, they should be wearing Neo one, which is good enough for them, which is seamless, and people can basically walk around. That for me is true human freedom. Okay, now you can be yourself, walk around, it understands everything.
Thank you so much, Dhananjay. It was a great experience talking to you, and I cannot wait to try the Neo Sapien Neo 1 device.
Thanks. It was one of the most amazing podcasts I have done. Phenomenally enjoyed speaking with you. A pleasure.